Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today is day 29 of the 100-day project. So yesterday when I finished up this piece, I had a bunch of black left over. So I just kind of brayered it on to this paper. I didn't film it, but I just took a brayer and put it down some marks. So now we're going to start with this. And I've been thinking about how I'm going to approach it. So what I'm going to do is cut out some cardboard here, and then we're going to use this on the jelly plate and then transfer it, or maybe just transfer it. I can't decide, but let's get started. So here I am using my X-Acto knife to cut out shapes, and then I'm wetting it down with some water to pull up so you get the corrugation to make marks with. So that's how I'm going to make this little plate for us. So here's the plate. I mixed up some Payne's gray and white, and we printed it off this way. I forgot to turn off the time lapse. So I got a little bit of this blue left here. I'm just gonna brayer on some. I'm kind of going to go in a little bit with this color shaper and just with wet water, with just some wet water, with just water, and sort of soften it up a little bit here at the top. So I kind of covered up all of that black, which I didn't really mean to do. I'm going to take some of it off. I really did like how bold that black was. There we go. The paint is not fully dry yet, so we can kind of in my mind that was going to work. But I'm okay with this. I should have just painted it on. So I'm going to go back in with my palette knife and just scrape back in to kind of reveal some of that black underneath there. And those are good marks. I want to add some white through here. Can't just leave one big splotch of white. Need some lighter tones through here. Nice. Scrape back in a little bit. Trying to decide what other color I should add, or if I should even add another color. Maybe the whole thing is a study in gray and black. Nah, add another color in there somewhere. Okay, that got a little busy. Let's scrape some of that away. There we go. So I cut out these shapes from a rubbing that I did of the line stencil that I use all the time. So I'm just going to glue those down. Okay, let's go in with our favorite stencil. Make some marks through here. Put some through here as well. didn't work very well, but I don't hate it. About this guy right here. I'm using the golden black carbon for this. Okay, I just want a few more right through here. I made smudgies again. That's okay. Just make it a solid shape. I seem to have better luck with using these dots than anything else with this black. I'm just smudging today. Why am I so smudgy? I mean, it's not horrible. It's just sort of bizarro. Like, I didn't have this issue. I got too much on the... That was better. Let's go in with our grungy old brush here and our scratchy brush. Just to make some, that's kind of neat. Some sort of definition. Scratchy marks. I like that, actually. Yay for the grungy brush. Okay, I'm going to add in just a little bit of this Payne's Gray ink through here, and we'll color shape it out. I want a little bit of water on there, just to create a bit more mood, a little more drama through the sky there, or whatever that is, the background. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do today. I think I'm pretty happy with it being just sort of gray and black and white. So much for getting out of my gray phase, right? I really like the tissue paper stencils with the other stencils on there. The scratchiness of the marks and the brushes kind of brings you all the way back to this soft area up here. Let's look at it with the matte. And here it is with the matte. Again, I like it. Void of color except for the blue, but I really kind of like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the next video, and I will see you tomorrow for day 30 of 100 days. 1/3 of the way through almost. Have a good day. Bye.